Log Hauler Jesse is here. Yeah, we have a number of YouTube channels. You probably, I don't need to, got Dude Ranch DIY, Hometown Acres, Back 40, whatever. And, York Firewood is here. And who else am I forgetting? Yeah, my food truck guy, Joe. And then I want to introduce you to my wife, who this is all her fault because all she had to do was say, Joe, I have no idea, go back to your cubicle. This is my wife down here, Becky. And of course my daughter, Emily. My youngest daughter couldn't be here, but maybe that's a good thing because you guys will know how to handle her differently. All right. And then don't forget to check out the food truck.
Wood Burners, their gala, so their open house. We're excited to be here, and we're going to show you around. Met some machines. I'll be above you. Am I in your way? Nope. You normally got to sign a form if you want to participate in anything, just from a legal perspective. See you later. See you guys later. The nice thing about that is it's very precise.
It is.
You know? sized pallets. Got quite a few of them. Do you mind if I take your picture? Okay. Sharpened this?
You just ran out of gas?
Yes, it did. Is this sharpened?
I don't know. That just hit a couple nails.
Yeah.
How old's yours? Yours pretty.
Okay. Be careful. Okay. Be careful. Don't just go through. Don't just go through it. But see the guys over there? Look. Dino. You're starting Firewood Maniac. Now you're looking at starting a YouTube channel, right?
I am.
Okay. What's it going to be called?
Firewood Maniac.
And how do you spell maniac?
M-A-I-N-I-A-C. Boy, that's kind of a tongue twister.
Firewood Maniac.
Just take one of the I's out. Maniac.
So you're from Maine. That's why. That's why.
Maniac.
Okay. And you love firewood. And your wife. Your other half. She loves the stack.
And he did it too. But
She's the program director. She referred to her as the program director.
Program director.
Yes.
Okay.
I keep it focused.
She keeps me.
Gotcha.
Yes.
Okay.
One of those personalities. I'm all over the place, so she has to keep me on the straight and narrow.
Now there's another potential YouTuber there.
Still on Instagram.
Still on Instagram. And the name of that Hogs Logs. That's on Instagram. Okay? Hogs Logs. And who's that guy?
Danny.
You want a hamburger? Cheeseburger? Too bad. Well, we do this, remember the old Saturday Night Live thing?
Yeah.
Cheeseburger.
Don't Coke Pepsi.
No Coke Pepsi.
Yeah.
No cheap eyes, no cheap.
No shake.
Cheeseburger.
French fries.
Fine.
And then John Belushi goes, cheeseburger.
Gator sausage. That's just typical Joe. Runs away from me. Woo! Woo!
How's it going?
Good. How you doing, Dan?
Good. Ran all the way over here. You got your gloves?
I got my gloves.
You ready to work?
I'm all ready to work. Ready to stack.
Somebody needs to, you need to somebody show us how to stack. I've seen your stack. Your stack. Yeah. Is that good?
Well, I don't know about that. We had a major fail. One of our Holzhausens collapsed, and we've just left it. Have you seen a Holzhausen?
Yes.
Oh,
I've never tried one.
they're slow going.
That's why I don't do them.
They're slow going. So, this is Dan from Back 40 Firewood.
Good. Good seeing all of you.
It'd be nice if I got you in the picture. There we go. You can say that again.
Yeah, can't we watch your video on the way up here?
Well, I appreciate it. Which one? One of them.
Describe it, bro.
You don't mind being on YouTube, do you?
I don't know.
Okay. Appreciate it. Here's Joe's Wood. Ohio wood burner. Apparently, this is for one particular customer. Well, let me put it this way. He's got one particular customer that will take this amount of wood, and that's his restaurant. 30 quart of wood. So he says, who's this guy? Who's this guy? What do you got there, Dan? What do you got? Ohio wood burner. Very good. What size do you have? That's the right size, huh? I think you need an XL. Got log hauler Jesse showing off. I don't think he's had this many people in an audience before. So you think, hey Chris? Yes. You think log hauler Jesse's had this many people in an audience before?
I don't think so.
I don't think so either.
No, he's definitely showing off.
He is showing off. That's a. Oh, look at that. And he did that on purpose.
Yeah, he did.
Oh, you know why? Probably because it didn't fit.
Yeah.
This is. I get scheduled to come up your place.